Okay, whoa. Sorry about that. This video, we're talking about the best camera settings to use when filming with the Cinema P3 camera app on your iPhone. Let's get into it.
First thing I want to talk about is the white balance, as we're looking at this awesome Mazda icon on my steering wheel. White balance is super important. I have said it before and I will say it again. It is just super vital for getting good colors in your image. You can see this is all over the place right now. The colors are going to be shifting all weird. So we're just going to go ahead and lock the white balance, and that way it keeps it the same and the colors don't change. Incredibly important. Second setting I want to talk about, and this actually goes a little bit deeper, is the color space select setting. Okay, tap this icon over here. Now you may have noticed that you have your resolutions and your frame rates, and then you also have this third column over here, which is your color space. Now 709 standard color, 8-bit SDR, this is just your average color space. A lot of computer monitors and screens will show color in this color space, but it kind of limits the dynamic range that your iPhone can capture. So if you film in cinematic P3 wide color, you're going to get a bit more dynamic range, which will result in better looking footage, especially if you're trying to color grade. You also include HLG in the Pro version. If you want a video about the Pro version, let me know in the comments below. Man, that Mazda symbol's looking pretty sick. Okay, next setting I want to talk about is shutter speed real quick. We're just wanting to make sure that this is set to 180 degrees. In this car, it will look really nice because it's in a darker area. If you're filming outside where it's super bright, you might not be able to, that's okay. The fourth setting that I want to talk about is stabilization settings. And how you access it is this wrench icon down here. Scrolling down, we have three different options: standard, cinema, and cinema 2. Cinema 2 I definitely would avoid because not only does it crop in a lot, also it just takes too long to recognize movement that your phone makes. The normal cinema actually works quite well. There is a little bit of a crop, but it really does well in smoothing out some basic handheld jitteries. But if you don't like the crop, then you can also just hit standard, and standard also works fairly well too.
And nailing down these 4 camera settings are really going to help your iPhone footage to the next level when it comes to shooting outside. Have you ever thought about upgrading your iPhone audio? Because you all know iPhone audio sucks. If you haven't thought about that, check out this next video where I break down 3 simple tips on getting much better audio from your iPhone. Appreciate you, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.